Hello tubes, this will be the final look at this. This was a free Toro recycler with a Kohler engine that I got. The pull cord was all messed up. I had to rebuild it. Oil was really low, so I changed it, sharpened the blade. There was one of the baffles was cracked, so I had to mend it with a mending plate, and I found a little surprise as a socket was stuck into one of the engine bolts. I couldn't get the bolt out of the socket, so I had to just put a new bolt in that I had. I did drop the carburetor, just the bowl to look at it. It was clean, so I just put it back. The self-propelled I adjusted and it works now. I have sharpened the blade, power washed it, and give it a spit shine. I'm going to hold this till next season. Maybe I can find a self-propelled belt cover there. And this will be the final look of this Toro recycler I got for free. Rebuilt recoil. The next time too. See you later.